So hello again. Let's take a look at Baguazhang switch number 3, the flicking switch. So this one's a symmetrical switch. We'll take a look at it real quick at regular speed, starting with the left hand up. So as you can see, you're just kind of flicking in both sides and turning around. And go in the clockwise direction with the right hand up, same thing. Flicking with the right, then the left, coming in and back out. Okay, so let's take a look at the flicking switch postures in slow motion. So we'll go through each one a little smoothly. I'll try and narrate through this one. So again, we'll start clockwise, counterclockwise I mean, with scooping down with the left hand, picking up the left leg, balancing or empty. Then we're just going to switch it. Turn, scooping down with the right, bending the right knee in, inverted, picking up the right leg if you can, striking. Then circle the arms around, coming back in. Then step in with the right foot, pushing with both hands. Swing the hands back out into a swoosh, bringing the right leg in and stepping back out. So now going clockwise with the right hand up. Take a minute to come around. Get to the other side. So basically this is, again, a symmetrical switch where you're doing one side first, then the other, starting with the top hand. So in this case, we're going to stop with the right hand, coming down, left foot in front, inverted, right hand comes up, right foot comes up, flicking. Then we switch the sides, bringing the left leg in, inverted, scooping with the left hand and flicking. Circle the arms, come in with both hands pushing, leading with the left foot, and swinging back, bringing the left foot back, stepping out with the left foot back to a counterclockwise direction circle with the left hand back up. So now let's take a look at the postures in detail. So starting with the first posture, scoop the water and flick. Again, we're just going to take a slow motion look at each one in both directions. So scoop the water and flick. One, we're stopping with the outside leg in front, inverting, scooping with the top hand down and that leg coming up, same side. The other side, we're stopping with the left foot in front, inverted, the right hand scooping in this one. Right knee bends in. We're picking up the right leg if you can, or emptying it. If your balance is tough, just go into an empty stance. Then we just go into the other side. So all that you're doing is you're putting that balanced leg back down and turning in that direction. Scooping with the opposite hand, in this case it's the right, and the right foot coming up. And the other side, we would put the right foot down, scoop down with the left, bending the left knee in, inverting, and picking up the left leg, striking out with the left hand. From there, you're going to try to maintain a balanced or empty stance and circle the arms around and just bring them back in, trying to get the elbows together and the palms up. This one's real quick. Just again, holding balance or empty and circling the arms around and bringing them back in. Then step in for the next one, which is Coiled Dragon Strikes. You're just coming in with that balanced foot or empty foot. In this case, it's the right foot coming in with both hands pushing towards the center. Show that again. And then on the other side, it's the left leg coming in, and again, both hands just kind of pushing towards the center. And then when we go into the last posture of the swoosh, we're just swinging their hands down and back towards the back leg. In this case, it's the left leg. Right leg coming in, right leg stepping back out, right hand high. And on the other side, we're just going to swing our arms down towards the right leg, left leg coming in, excuse me, left leg coming in, and left hand coming up, left hand high. And that's it for the flicking switch. Enjoy your practice. And again, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you. And please consider supporting our musician, Ray Jornales. Thank you very much. And I look forward to seeing you again. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.